Welcome to Myko's Avery channel.
What's that? Oh. Toti, let's feed the bird. Oh, you hold this, oh. Come on. Kaya? Tara. Dito tayo.
Okay, tito.
Doon siya malaki. Dito.
Oh, no. I need that part.
No, go. Kaya mo, mabigat eh. Ito nga. Kaya mo, baka matapon. Oh, kaya? As I told you, it's heavy. Go. Go. There. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, you put, I will get there. Oh, you get the, ano, there. Oh, you throw it, ano, there. Oh, put, ano, how many? 2. Full. More. Okay. Oh, here, oh. Put it here. Oh, here. Move back. Good girl. Ito. Wait. Okay, get one. Ay, you throw it there under. Ay, yung isa na ako mo. Ito, yan. Oh, throw it. Oh, 2 cups. Okay. I'll put it here. Here. Up. Okay. Move. Ay, putek.
Come here.
Careful there. Yeah. Throw. Good girl. 2 scoop again.
Dad, ano yung ibon to?
Eclectus. Okay, go. Here. Yeah, good. Next. There. Yeah, throw it under. Good girl.
Good job, by the way.
Yeah. Ginger and Toti feeding the parrots. Okay. Wait. Here. Wait. Yan. Throw it. There you go. Ate.
Guys, are you still right there?
Yeah, they're still there waiting for you. Okay. Oh. More. Last. You tired, Ginger?
Why you have chicken?
So that the chicken can eat the waste seeds.
See? Why?
It's recycling. Yeah, that's the new chicken.
Chicken pan?
There go put it here. Oh guys,
Dad, gusto niyo wala chicken.
next time pag meron. Oh, you go back. Oy Mark, baka mauntog si Lilia sa nest box. Oh, sa likod mo, uy. Baka mauntog kayo. O doon ka sa kabila. On the other side.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Careful, guys. Ginger, move there. On the other side. Noah, go. Noah, excuse me. Excuse them. Palit naman kayo, Toti. Ikaw naman maglagay, si Ginger. Okay. 2 scoops, dude. Yeah. Go, Toti. That's the umbrella. Ako. Get one. Yeah, they're super hungry. They eat all the seeds. Yeah.
I mean, they already long.
Dad, this is for breakfast. Because I was waiting for you guys. If red, female. Red, female.
Red is female?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you tired, Ginger? This is the work I do every morning. For the birds. Last one. Wait. See, can you see they're eating the mango?
Yeah.
There, oh. They're eating the mango. Oh, go get the get up here.
It's like my first time feeding these.
Yeah. And you're gonna be seen all over the world doing that. You know that Toti is famous already? Okay.
Now she's feeding the skeleton.
Hey.
I can
Go. Go, boys.
find the independence. No.
Oh, give me that. I will do it now. We're done. Okay, hi and bye. Yummy! Okay, lagay mo lang dyan. Kainit.
Thanks for visiting Myko's Aviary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more bird keeping content. See you in the next video!